myself Dalvinder from User Umbrella. Hope you guys are doing great. Today we are at North Bangalore, one of the best property what I have seen in North Bangalore, which is located in Hennur Road. The project name is Kumar Prospera. Today I will show you the model apartment as well as the amenities. At the end of the video we will discuss about the cost part. Get started. Come in. One of the best part what I have seen, they have provided a rubber over here. If you shut the door very hard also, you won't feel anything, any cracks coming in the wall, frame as well. Come in. This is your foyer area basically, 4.3 by 8. If you will come, this is your living space plus dining space, which is around 17.3 into 11 by 11. This is your balcony with the living space. Now I will show you the kitchen area as well. So this is your huge kitchen area with utility, which is around 10 by 8 of kitchen and utility of 4.3 by 8. If you will see, we are providing tiles till the top, so you can easily clean it off. This is your guest room, basically 10.5 into 11.5 with a huge window plus a grill area. This is another bedroom which is of same size, 10.5 by 11.5. This is your master bedroom, which is 11.5 into 13.5 with a huge balcony with it.